Hey, welcome to Booze Hive. It's okay to spend Valentine's Day alone, because you can learn how to make yourself happy without the need of someone else. You can also learn how to enjoy things without being forced to please others. So this Valentine's Day, why not have an affair? The cocktail, obviously. This cocktail is a perfect pick-me-up and is very easy to make, and it's pink. So, let's get into it. Start by adding vodka to a cocktail shaker filled with ice. Then, add a dash of fresh lemon juice. Add a dash of simple syrup. If you fancy making a spicy affair, add a small amount of ginger to your simple syrup. Lastly, top the drink off with some pink grapefruit juice. Give it a good shake. Then strain it into a fancy looking glass. The most important step is to garnish it with a mint sprig and tweet us a picture of your cocktail. We always love seeing your creations. And there we go, an affair cocktail. Make sure to send this to a single friend who could do with a little Valentine's Day cocktail. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly drinks videos. Have a good Valentine's Day.